Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can log into your Talent.d employee account easily. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Make sure your computer has a secured and private internet connection, and let's open our default web browser. For now, I'm using Google Chrome. In the address bar, you can just type in Talent.d employee login. After searching, you can find various options right here. After clicking on it, it may take a few minutes, and it will lead towards your login web page. And here you go, guys. You can add your credentials, your username and password, in the designated fields and just click login to log into your Talent.d account. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in the upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comments section. I will see you guys in our next video. Have a nice day.